Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is middle of May and the weather in Korea is getting warmer nowadays, so I think it is a very good excuse for me to shop for more summer clothes. And I would like to take this opportunity to show you guys what is currently trendy for the Korean fashion. So if you have been to Korea, I'm sure you know this place. Oh my god! I guess it is because today is a public holiday, so I can see like so many people around me and it's very crowded over here. Even though I am not really know fashion very much, but in Korea, if something is trendy, then you can almost see every shop are selling the same or similar items. So honestly, I'm kind of lost, like no idea from where should I start. So the main difference between Malaysian fashion and Korean fashion is that in Malaysian, people might have very wide varieties for the clothes, but in Korea it's like when something is trendy, then almost everyone will wear the same on the street. I just done with my shopping and this is what I bought today. It's time to go home and let me show you guys what I bought today when I'm back to home. Okay guys, so now I'm back to home and I'm going to show you guys what I have bought today. Alright, so the first one I have is two t-shirts. The first one is a black and short t-shirt, which is 5,000 won, and the second one is a very simple and white t-shirt, which is also 5,000 won. So both t-shirts are labeled as made in Korea and the quality wise is kind of good, so I think 5,000 won each is kind of worth for it. And the second one I have is a black pants, something like this. a white lace black pants, which is perfect for the coming summer. It's kind of thin actually, but since it is black color, so I think doesn't matter. And this one also 5,000 won only. And the last one I have is something like a thin coat, shaped like a coat but the material like a shirt, which is very good to be wear during the hot summer. It is a long sleeve, but I think it will be look quite nice if I can like just fold the sleeve like this as well. I think this is my most favorite piece I got today. The price for this coat is 1,000 won only, which is around 37 ringgit Malaysia, and it is made in Korea. So I think it is quite a good deal, isn't it? Alright, so that's all for my video today. Hope you guys enjoy watching my shopping experience at the Goto Mall. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to see more about my life in Korea. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!